Setting up Robinhood Legend is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of trading and investing. To begin, you need to have a Robinhood account. If you don't have one, sign up for a new account on the Robinhood website or mobile app. Once you have a Robinhood account, navigate to the settings or account options and look for the Robinhood Legend option. Robinhood Legend is a premium service that offers advanced trading tools and features, including Level 2 market data and the ability to trade during extended hours. To sign up for Robinhood Legend, select the option to upgrade to Legend and follow the prompts to review and agree to the terms and conditions. You will also need to pay the monthly subscription fee, which is currently a flat rate per month. After signing up for Robinhood Legend, you will gain access to advanced trading tools and features, including Level 2 market data, which provides a more detailed view of market activity and trader sentiment. You will also be able to trade during extended hours, which allows you to react to market events and news outside of regular trading hours. To get the most out of Robinhood Legend, it is essential to understand the advanced trading tools and features that are available. This includes learning how to read and interpret Level 2 market data, as well as how to use the other advanced features to inform your trading decisions. It is also important to keep in mind that trading with Robinhood Legend carries the same risks as trading with a standard Robinhood account, and you should always use caution and follow best practices when trading and investing. This includes setting clear goals and risk tolerance, doing thorough research, and never risking more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and using Robinhood Legend responsibly, you can take your trading and investing to the next level and gain a competitive edge in the market.